Sometimes we have a day-old rice in our kitchen, don't we? Right, let's start cooking. Prepare your saucepan, heat it up, and once it's ready, put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once your oil starts to boil, put your chopped garlic in. Then add your chopped spring onions, the white part of the spring onions. Stir and fry until golden brown. Then add your plant-based chicken strips. Fry it until it's a little bit tender. When your chicken strips are cooked and yet a little bit firm, then you can add your peas. Stir occasionally. When your frying pan starts to get dry, pour your kikkoman in. Pour to taste. Transfer your fire to medium heat, then cover for a few minutes. Check your peas. Before it gets soft, you have to add your bell pepper. Then stir occasionally. Then cover it again. Just keep checking. Once your bell pepper is half cooked, then you can add your mushroom. Do you think singing while cooking adds to its taste? Mix well and then cover again for a few minutes. Once the pan is already a bit dry, mix it and then add your rice. Mix very well until you can no longer see the white in the rice. Then sprinkle a bit of Knorr aroma for seasoning. Sprinkle also a bit of black pepper, not too much. Keep stirring until well mixed. Then add the green part of your spring onions. Stir or mix very well until your rice is no longer soggy. Then it's cooked. Presto! Are you ready for lunch? See you next week. Bye for now. Bon appetit! Yummy!